Good morning, students. Today we start class 9 physics. Next video of work energy chapter. And yesterday we explained all the theories of this chapter. And today we take numericals. So first numerical is two bodies of equal mass m with uniform velocity v and 3v respectively. Find the ratio of their kinetic energy. Student, yesterday I explained that the formula for kinetic energy is kinetic energy equal to half m v square, where m equal to mass, v equal to velocity. Then kinetic energy half m case first. केस फर्स्ट में m इक्वल टू आपको गिवन है m एंड v इक्वल टू आपको गिवन है v, तो हाफ m v स्क्वायर, इट इज इक्वेशन 1. नेक्स्ट केस सेकंड, m इक्वल टू m, v इक्वल टू 3v. देन काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ m, in the place of v we put 3v, it means 3v square. Kinetic energy equal to half m 9 v square, 9 by 2 m v square, it is equation 2. Equation 1 upon equation 2, इक्वेशन 1 का वैल्यू हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर, इक्वेशन 2 का वैल्यू 9 by 2 एम बी स्क्वायर. दिस इज कैंसिल बाय कैंसिल. देन द फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ देयर काइनेटिक एनर्जी. देन 2 is cancels by 2. Our answer is 1:9. 1:9 is the ratio of their kinetic energy. Student, listen again. Two bodies of equal masses move with uniform velocities v and 3v respectively. Find the ratio of their kinetic energy. तो स्टूडेंट काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. केस फर्स्ट गिवन m इक्वल टू m and the velocity is given v equal to v. Then we put the value from this formula. Then formula is same, kinetic energy equal to half m v square. In second case m equal to m but the velocity is changed, it means v equal to 3v. Then we put kinetic energy equal to half m v square, it means 3v square. So half m 9v square, it means 9 by 2 m v square. Then equation 1 upon 2, it means kinetic energy and kinetic energy A इसको मान लेंगे and kinetic energy at point B, यानी A और kinetic energy B का जो रेशियो आएगा आपका हाफ m v square अपॉन हाफ 9 by 2 m v square. तो इसमें आपका m v square cancel and 2 is cancelled by 2. Then answer is 1:9. So the ratio of their kinetic energy is 1:9. This is based on kinetic energy numerical. And second question is, in this question is given how much work should be done on a bicycle of mass 20 kg increases speed from 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second. For example, one boy is running bicycle and he is moving 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second and its mass is 20 kg. So we can find the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equal to work. It means work equal to change in kinetic energy. It is first m equal to 20, v equal to 2 meter per second. Kinetic energy equal to half m v square, half the value of m is 20 and the value of v is 2. Then 20 into 4 by 2, it means 40 joule. Case first में kinetic energy is 40 joule because 2 is cancelled by 4, तो 2 to the 4. Case second, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल टू हाफ एम एंड बी की जगह हम पुट करेंगे वैल्यूज जो आपको दी हुई है। एम की भी वैल्यू हमको गिवन है 20 और बी की वैल्यू हमको गिवन है 5। देन 2 टाइम्स 20, 10 इंटू 25, 250 जूल। Then change in kinetic energy equal to 250 minus 40 joule. Then it is 210 joule. Work equal to change in kinetic energy 210 joule. It means work equal to 210 joule. So listen again, student. How much work should be done on a bicycle of mass 20 kg to increase its speed from 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second? Then case first, m equal to 20 but b equal to 2 meter second. And in case first, we put the value of this formula. M is 20 and B is 2 square. It means 20 into 4, 2 to the 4. Then 40 joule is the kinetic energy for case first. Case second, here M equal to 20 but B equal to 5 meter per second. We put this value in this formula. The kinetic energy equal to half 20 into 5 square. It means 2 times 20 and 10 is multiplied by 25, so 250 joule. Then change in kinetic energy, it means 250 minus 40 joule, it means 210. So work equal to change in kinetic energy, that is formula. So change in kinetic energy 210 joule is the answer of this question. Next question is, a bag of wheat weighs 200 kg. Here m equal to 200 kg is given. To what height should it be raised so that its potential energy आपको given है 9800 joule and h is question. You know that student formula U equal to mgh and the value of m is 200 and the value is 9.8 and the value of h is h. G की वैल्यू हमको लेकर चलना 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ U इज 9800 200 into 9.8 into h. So h equal to 9800 200 into 9.8. 98 is cancelled by 98. 10 by 2, it means 5. 5 meter is the answer. Listen again, student. A bag of wheat weighs 200 kg. To what height should it be raised so that its potential energy is V? 9800 joules. Students, listen carefully. Students, in this question we have value of M, we have value of potential energy, but we know the value of gravity. It means small g is 9.8 meter per second square. Then h equal to question mark. We know that U equal to mgh. Then m equal to 200, g equal to 9.8, and h is question mark. So we put the place of h is h. So h equal to 9800 upon 200 into 9.8. Point is removed. Then 1 0 is increased to 98 is cancelled by 98. 2 0 is cancelled by 2 0. Then 10 upon 2. It means 10 upon 2 meter. 10 upon 2 meter is the height. 10 upon 2 meter is the height. It should be raised. So answer is 5 meter per second. Sorry, 5 meter, because height, the SI unit of height is meter. Thank you, students. Students, we start next numerical, and the numerical is an electric bulb consume 7.2 kilojoule of electric energy in 2 minutes. Then what is the power of electric bulb? Student, do you know the formula of power? Power equal to work upon time. It means work equal to energy upon time, because work equal to energy, then energy is 7.2 kilojoule upon time is 2 minutes. Kilojoule is converted into joule, then 7.2 is multiplied by 1000 and 2 into 60. Watt is the power. Listen again, student, question is an electric bulb consumes 7.2 kilojoule electrical energy in 2 minutes. What is this power? We know that the formula of power, power equal to work upon time. We know that bulb equal to energy upon time. It means energy is given 7.2 kilojoule and time is given 2 minutes. Then we convert kilojoule into joule and we multiply by 1000 and we convert minute in second. It means we multiply by 60. Then this is the 1000, so 1 0 is removed by 1 0 and 1 point is removed, so 1 0 is times increased. So 2 it means 12 6 6 and 6 2 12 and 2 6 12. It means 60 watt is the answer of this question. Our next question is body does 120 joule. आपका एनर्जी गिवन है 120 जूल, टाइम आपको गिवन है 6 सेकेंड, P इक्वल टू W अपॉन 2 यानी वर्क अपॉन टाइम यानी एनर्जी अपॉन टाइम. Listen again, a body does 120 joule in 6 seconds. Then what is its power? We know the formula of power, power equal to work upon time. Work equal to energy, we know that about this. Work equal to energy and energy upon time. Energy it means 120 upon 6, so 6 2 12. It means 12 and 0 is 20 joule. It means joule is not a joule per second. It means watt. 20 watt. Okay, so 20 watt is the answer of this question. So these questions are based on power formula. In power formula, we know that work equal to energy. So P equal to W upon T. It means power equal to work upon time, and the other formula is power equal to energy upon time. In next video, we drive a relation of kinetic energy. Thank you, students.